Today we will start introduction to trigonometry. Trigonometry. So it is a chapter 8, class 10th. So trigonometry is derived from the Greek word tri means 3, gon means sides, and metron means measure. So trigonometry is the study of relationship between sides and angles of triangles. So it is the study of relationship between sides and angles of triangle. So today we will find the trigonometric ratios between sides and angles. Trigonometric ratios. Now let us draw a right angle triangle A B C. It is right angle triangle at B. Now side opposite to right angle is hypotenuse. If I take angle A, the side opposite to angle A is perpendicular and the remaining is base. Now there are 6 trigonometric ratios. Number 1, sin A. Sin A is the ratio of perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cosine A, it is represented by cos A. Here I take angle A. So what is base? AB is the base. So base upon hypotenuse. Now tan A, it is the relationship between ratio between perpendicular upon base. Now here what is perpendicular is AB upon AC, base BC upon perpendicular is BC upon AC, base AB upon AC, BC upon AB, BC upon AB. You don't write sin A into A. Don't. Product of sine with angle is not applicable. So meaning of angle A is with sine. Here we have to find the value of sin A, cos A, tan A. Now reciprocal of sin A is called cosec A. Reciprocal of cos A is called cosec A, and tan is cot A. So cosec A is equal to H upon P, means AC upon BC. Cos reciprocal is sec A, it is hypotenuse upon base, it is AC upon AB, and tan reciprocal of tan is cot A, it is B upon P, AB upon BC. So these are the trigonometric ratios: sin A, cos A, tan A, cosec A, sec A, cot A. Here you can observe that if you divide sin A upon cos A, you will get P upon B. If I divide sin A upon cos A, what is sin A? P upon H. What is cos A? B upon H. So here H is cancelled. This gives you P upon B. P upon B, it is called tan A. Tan A is also called sin A upon cos A. Now, reciprocal of cot A, you will get cos A upon sin A. Similarly, the reciprocal of sin A is cosec A. If you reciprocate h upon p is cosec A, you can write sin A is equal to 1 upon cosec A, or cos A you can write 1 upon sec A. Now, I will change the angle. Now, here the angle is A. Now I will take angle C. Now if I take angle C, the perpendicular is changed. Perpendicular is the angle, perpendicular is the side opposite to the given angle. Now I will change the angle. Now here I will take angle C. Instead of A, I will take angle C here. Now the categories is changed. If I take angle C, now the perpendicular is AB and hypotenuse is the opposite to 90 degree and angle base is this BC. Now what is sin A? You can write sin, cos and tan. I will tell you the shortcut of the remaining these formulas. Sin is, here I will calculate sin C now. Sin C, cos C and tan C. Now, we can remember like this, Pandit Badri Prasad, har bole. Here you can calculate called Suresh Chandra Tatia. Now, formula is remain same, P upon H, but here perpendicular is changed. In sin C, the perpendicular is now AB upon AC. Hypotenuse is same. Base is, what is base? Base is BC upon AC, and perpendicular is, if you divide it, you will get AB upon BC. AB upon BC. Now reciprocate, you will get the values of cosec C. Cosec C is H upon P and it is AC upon AB. Now sec C, it is H upon B, and what is H? H is AC upon BC. Now cot C, that is B upon P, BC upon AB, BC upon AB, BC upon AB. So formula is same, P upon H, but when you change the angle, then the perpendicular is changed. In angle C, the perpendicular is AB, and in angle A, the perpendicular is BC. Now, these are the 6 trigonometric ratios: sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. So, it is easy to learn in this way. Pandit Badri Prasad, har bole, Suresh Chandra Tatia. So it is sin A, sin C, cos C, tan C.